In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your WordPress website from Hostgator. Whether you're looking to start fresh, migrate to a new platform, or simply clean up your digital footprint, removing a WordPress installation can seem daunting. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring it's both easy to understand and execute. Before we jump into the process, just a quick reminder about the importance of backing up your data. Once you've deleted your site, all of its content, settings, and customizations will be lost permanently unless previously saved. So, if there's anything you might need from your current website, consider using a backup plugin or downloading your files manually from the file manager. Now, let's get started with the actual process. First, you'll need to log into your Hostgator account. You can do this by navigating to their website and entering your credentials on the login page. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard. From here, you're going to look for the Hosting tab. This is typically located near the top of the page. Click on it, and then locate the red Manage button next to the hosting package you want to modify. This will take you to a new page with a slew of different options for managing your hosting account. Once on the new page, find and click on the cPanel link to access your control panel. This panel is essentially the center hub from where you can manage every aspect of your website. Now, while in the cPanel, scroll down to the Software section and select the Quick Install or Softaculous app installer. The name might vary slightly depending on Hostgator's updates. Upon opening this tool, look for the WordPress option. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your current installations. Identify the WordPress site you want to remove. For each installation, there should be an option, often marked as Delete or a trash icon. Selecting this icon initiates the uninstallation process. A prompt will typically ask you to confirm your decision to ensure it wasn't an accidental click. Go ahead and confirm. The system will take a few moments to fully remove the WordPress files from your server. Remember, although the files are gone, the database may remain. To ensure a complete removal, head back to the cPanel Home section. Scroll down to the Databases area and click on MySQL Databases. Here, locate the database associated with your deleted WordPress site. Once found, delete it. That's it. Your WordPress site is now completely removed from your Hostgator account. If you plan on installing a fresh instance or using the space for another project, your hosting environment is all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep these steps in mind anytime you want to clean up or rearrange your hosting resources.